I'm at Etang National Park in Grenada. Just having a look around the national park, and then I'm going to go down to the Lake Etang. So Etang is a national park right in the centre of Grenada. I'm just heading out. It says 5 to 10 minutes to the Morne La Baya lookout, so I'm going to go there. The big hike to do from here is Mount Kwakwa, which is up the mountain. You can look down on Lake Etang. So Lake Etang sits in basically the crater of what was the volcano, and Mount Kwakwa is the edge of the volcano. So Mount Kwakwa takes about an hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours to climb up. It's supposed to be quite tough, so far I've decided to avoid doing it. But you never know, I may well do that before the end of my time in Grenada. But for now we're just walking over to the lookout, and then we'll head down to the lake after that, unless I find somewhere else that catches my eye. If you enjoy this, please give me a thumbs up or press the red button to subscribe, or the bell to get a notification every Friday when I post a new travel video on Suit, Where, Why, What. Thanks for joining me. Guessing this is the lookout here. I'm keeping my eyes peeled for the Mona monkeys. Thought I heard a monkey noise back there. They are endemic to Grenada, and there are quite a few around here. Not always easy to spot, but I think some of the guides feed them fruit, and so if you're with a guide you can come, and if you know monkeys, you know they'll probably clamber all over you if you've got some fruit. But whoa, it's getting cooler and I can see the view. Wow. I think my monkey sound is actually squeaking bamboo. So now I'm at beautiful Lake Etang. I'm walking the trail, say about an hour to an hour and a half, all around the lake. In theory fairly easy. I think it might be a bit boggy and muddy at times, but we'll see what we can find. I have heard that because this is the crater of the volcano in the lake, they actually have no idea how deep it is. Apparently they've studied it, they've had people come and try and identify how deep the lake is, but until now it's never been anywhere near the bottom, and they still can't work out how deep it is. So I don't know if that's local legend or actual fact, but I thought it was interesting. without its hazards. Just been tripping and slipping on a few tree roots. It's very muddy, and there was one point where the trail seemed to disappear, but I then saw there were bits of bamboo and wood and stuff in the water puddle, river, whatever you want to call it. So came over there, and there seems to be a bit more of a defined trail. With Grenada and easy walks, there'll always be something that requires log balancing or wading or slipping and sliding. Okay, it's not often I say this, but I'm giving up. It's incredibly muddy, really slippery. I've not seen anyone. I haven't seen a sign for a bit. So I'm going to be sensible, because look at the state of my feet already. Time to call it quits. Head home. So I'm sorry I couldn't show you the whole of Lake Etang and the whole walk around it, but we'll go back to the start where you can see more of the lake anyway. Has to be one of my first rules of hiking, hiking solo at least, is know when to give up. Because at the end of the day, if something were to happen to me out here, no one knows I'm here, and there'd not be anyone to rescue me. So know when to give up when you start losing your shoes in the mud, and your feet to the state that mine are, and you're not 100% sure of the direction, then it's time to give up. It looks like I'll have to satisfy myself with this view.